Howdy friends, if you love your morning coffee but you want something healthier and you want to save on that grocery budget, you are in the right place. Today I'm sharing 3 easy homemade coffee recipes: vanilla, chocolate, and pumpkin spice. They are simple, budget friendly, and taste amazing in your coffee or your tea lattes. Now I'll be honest, I don't actually drink coffee anymore. I loved it, but it left me up late at night, jittery with heart palpitations, stomach aches, and the doctor once told me it was causing me worse health issues that I won't go into here. So while I love my coffee, I didn't give up the creamer because I can use that in my tea lattes like chai or even in my hot chocolate. So whether you're still drinking coffee or you're looking for a coffee replacement in the morning, these creamers fit beautifully. So first up on our list, we're going to be making vanilla coffee creamer, and today I am using a heavy whipping cream. And we're going to go ahead and add some maple syrup here. And next up on the list is going to be our vanilla. I'm just going to put a few drops in there. And if you would like all these exact measurements and the recipe, I have a printable one for you over on our blog, and the link will be down below in the description. I'm just going to warm this up here so that everything mixes well together. And then we are going to pour it into our jar. We want to make sure and get a label on that so we don't get these mixed up. The 3 flavors here today will not look the same, but over on the blog I have a total of 13 flavors for you, and some of those might end up looking similar in the jar if they don't have a label. This is a lighter, cleaner version of a store-bought vanilla creamer. It's smooth, cozy, and works perfectly in coffee or a London fog tea latte. Next up on the list is chocolate. This is perfect if you like mochas. Warm 1 cup of cream or coconut milk. We're going to whisk in cocoa powder until smooth and then add your sweetener of choice. And today we're using maple syrup in mine. That is my go-to sweetener. And with this, I might recommend that you mix in the cocoa powder to the cold milk before putting it on the heat. And the reason for this, you'll see here shortly, is that when I put the cold cocoa powder into the milk, it did not want to dissolve. And so I end up whisking it and whisking and whisking and finally give into the hand blender, which then I have to pour this into a jar and use a hand blender in it before it will all combine together. So if you do this while it's cool, it'll work a lot better and you won't have to go through this longer process like I did. For me, chocolate is one of my favorite. When I drink coffee, mochas were on the top of my list. This chocolate creamer is very creamy, chocolatey, and it feels like dessert in a mug. Coffee drinkers can use this for an at-home mocha, but it works beautifully in cocoa. You can warm it right up and just have instant hot cocoa. And you can also put it in our not coffees, which is our coffee alternative or replacement, and that is how I plan to use this one right here. Last but not least is pumpkin spice. This one is perfect for fall, even winter, or any time of year. And with the ability to make it at home, you never have to wait for the grocery store to have it in season or in stock. You can make it anytime you want. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and use coconut milk for the base. You're welcome to use any milk for any of these. You can use a raw milk, you can use cow milk, you can use goat, sheep milk, soy, oat, almond, you get to pick. That's the great thing about this. And in goes my favorite sweetener, maple syrup. You can use sugar, coconut sugar, you can use honey, you get to pick. Next up, we're going to add our pumpkin spice. We also have our canned pumpkin in there, and we're just going to go ahead and mix this together until it is smooth and creamy. This turns any cup into a fall favorite, and you don't have to buy that pumpkin spice creamer at the store that has all the junk in it. You would not believe how many more ingredients are in coffee creamer in the store compared to these simple ones you can make at home that are healthier for you, that taste better, and they save you a ton of money. Plus they make fabulous hostess gifts if you're visiting anywhere this fall or winter. So go ahead and make it at home and you will know exactly what is in it, and it will taste fabulous. These 3 flavors are just the beginning: vanilla, chocolate, and pumpkin spice. Let's dive in and show you how to use these right at home. Coffee lovers, these creamers are going to elevate your daily cup. And if you're switching to tea instead of coffee like I had to, this creamer will work great in your chai lattes and also in our not coffee tea replacements. You're going to want to check those out. I'm going to put a link down below. They have the same bold flavor and take creamer and sweetener just like you're making coffee or espresso. And I promise you, if you have to cut back on that coffee, this is going to be the way to go. To use this creamer, you simply just get your espresso or coffee ready and then add it just like you would from the store. You get a cute little bottle and some cute cups, and you will feel like you have your own cafe at home. Only I promise you, you're gonna save so much money and your family is going to enjoy it too. Thanks for stopping by the farm, and I will catch you on the next video. But before I go, don't forget, those recipes are down below in the description.